Devauna Mum.
Oh, it's a lot, the hair, the bod. When you're staring at a demigod, what can I say except you're welcome? For the tides, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demigod. Hey, what has two thumbs and pulled up the sky? You're welcome. The sails and change your trees. So what can I say except you're welcome? For the islands I pulled from the sea. There's no need to pray, it's okay. You're welcome. And thank you.
You're welcome. Six and the City, I want to watch. Loving you
is easy 'cause you're beautiful.
I do.
Making love with you is all I wanna do.
Episode 1.
Loving you is more than just a dream come true.
Season 1.
Everything that I do is out of loving you.
Let me get comfortable.
But what she really sounds like.
Me hit the right note. A nice perfect day to relax and watch my favourite programme. It's season me on up. What this going to do? You're welcome. Oh, kiss me, granddaughter, very. You boy cheeky. My youth, what y'all do? Where y'all kept me sheets?
Oh no, sorry, I was just tidying up a little bit because remember I said I wanted to watch a game?
No, I never remember that.
Yeah, the Man United game's on, so I wanted to, watch it and watch the football.
Football? Oh, yes, me do actually.
You don't mind, do you? Just tidying up a little bit so we can have space and watch the footy. Is that alright?
Footy? Yeah, alright.
You can watch it with me.
Me can't watch with you.
Is that okay?
Yeah. That might be interesting.
Oh, perfect.
Watching football with my son.
Right, cool. Let me just get this table. Put this here. Put this on the table.
A big game too.
These are the snacks, Mum, you know what I mean?
But kiss me, granddaughter Ferry. Yeah, man.
We're good. Let me just go and get the drinks.
Yeah, go and get the drinks.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Man United vs Man City. Let's go.
Let's watch some footy. But that was very cheeky.
Here's your drink, Mum.
Oh, thank you, Vanna.
Cool, and there's my drink. Oh, yes. Come on, let's go.
Looks like it's going to be a really good, intense game.
It's a really cool game. A bit messy. What are they, Vanna? Let me just tidy up a little bit. Yeah, man, do what you want to do, man. It's all good. Yeah, clean up. It's all. Yeah. Ooh! What happened? Oh, just a throw in. Throw in.
Under that for a throw-in.
No!
School now.
Ghana! Just that corner. When it goes out that this corner.
Yes, me know what the corner is. When it go on the side. Oh, the boy think me for fool. Like me never played soccer before, I mean football.
Come on. Come on, boys. Let's go. You got this.
Jeez. Football really is intense. Me patch. Vanna! Why you scream no? School kick, mum. School kick. Goal kick? All that screaming just for a goal kick. A goal kick. Goal kick. That was close. Come on. Oh, my arm wet. So tense. Sure. It's safe to eat. All right. What? Havana? No. Offside. Offside. Just an offside. So tense. Every time the boy scream, I think it's something bigger going on. Boys and them ties and them football. No! Move that way! Oh, this game is intense. I just want one. Just let me eat one. The other was going to fall to the chest. What happened? Conceded a goal. We conceded a goal. Come on, man. Jeez. Oh, man. That one really did feel bad. You feel it right in my stomach and right in my chest. Right in my chest. Oh. This boy will be the death of me, you know. Rashid, run it. You know what? Let me play my own game. Every time this boy I go scream out, I'm gonna eat one of the crisp and all of the food.
Run it! Ah! Oh, come on, man! Bro, that was a foul! Pen! Ah, of course not. Play on. Every time it's Bruno. Nothing. Just nothing. Do it. Do it, Nacho, man. Oh, that was alright. We'll accept that. Come on. Good play. Keep it up. Make a tackle. Stand up on follow. Oh, come on, man. You gotta do better than that. Casemiro, let's go. Oh, good save, Onana. Oh, na. Oh, na.
Oh, na.
It's all about the heart.
Bruno, Mason and Santi, they all play for the Red Army. And who them man and
Hey, come on.
Shut up.
Love that remix.
Yeah! Got in there! 1-1, let's go, boy! Let's go! Yeah? Go on.
The last one.
Come on, man, you should have done better than that! Do better than that!
And you never even noticed.
Let me get one of these. What? Where's all the snacks I brought? I set a little challenge for myself. Every time you scream and make a fool of yourself, me I go eat all of the food. Eating everything. The food gone. What am I gonna eat gone? Well, that's not fair. I'm watching a game. This is how I watch a game. I make noise. I react because I'm so intense. My soul is in it. I love the sport. I love the game. I love the team. I love the players. I love it all. So that's why I'm reacting like it. Whatever. Don't mean you get to eat all the crisps. Not fair, man. Let's eat fair. Fair. Let's go. Let's go. We're in. No, the car! Leg out from me, man! Let's go, man! Let's go! Woo! Come on, boy! One, blow the whistle. Blow the whistle. Yes. Let the game end, man. Blow the whistle. Referee, blow the whistle. Because me swear upon anything. If this boy touch me again, me swear upon everything. Upon the Holy Ghost. Now I'm gonna knock him out. Tyson Fury style. Oh. Yeah, let's go. And that's it, man. We won. Let's go. Game, set, we match. Let's go. Let's go. Nice. It's a good game. Good game, boys. Good game. Very intense. Yes. I love watching football with you, man. Let's do it again. Yeah? Yeah? Right then. I'll leave you to it and you can watch your own program. No, where you go? No, me watch the football with you, so why don't you watch my program? Oh, you want me to watch the program with you? Skits and the City. Yes. Okay. It's a good program. That's fine. You will love it. That's fair. Cool. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
12 seconds later.
Don't do it, man. Don't do it, man. What a good program, Devauna. Glory, man, United. That's so not fair.